আসন্ন লোকসভা নির্বাচনে 2 নম্বর পূর্ব ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি সংরক্ষিত আসনে নির্বাচন অনুষ্ঠিত হবে 26 এপ্রিল। আসন্ন এই নির্বাচনকে সুচারুভাবে সম্পন্ন করতে সব ধরনের প্রস্তুতি নেওয়া হচ্ছে প্রশাসনের তরফে। এরই অঙ্গ হিসেবে 216 জন মাইক্রো অবজারভার নিযুক্ত করা হয়। মূলত কেন্দ্রীয় বিভিন্ন দপ্তরের কর্মীদের নিয়ে আজ দুপুরে কৈলাসহর সার্কিট হাউসের কনফারেন্স হলে এক প্রশিক্ষণ কর্মসূচি অনুষ্ঠিত হয়। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, ভিশন টিভি।
All details, rather your job as micro observer. So without doing any further delay, I will move into the slides. The name it's already, observer sir has already instructed that he will give this duty to other nodal officers, so you are allowed to talk or inform. The same things will be repeated, so I hope you will not feel bored and we'll just have a refreshing part. Observe why you are showing all these EVM connection and VVPAT and PDMS even. So actually, unless and until you know watch the mock poll and see that it is carried out as per instruction of the commission. I will not go into much detail because in mock poll, result and clear, it is very important. And emptying this VVPAT paper slip and packing these, taking one place you will have to sign. That is Micro Observer Report Part 1. That relates to mock classes also, but somehow if they do not remember, you please ask him where I will have to put my signature. In the annexure 1. So to check the assured minimum facilities in a polling station like drinking water, electricity, furniture, watch the mock poll and see that it is carried out as per instruction of the commission. One thing I missed, that in assessing the preparedness at the polling station, preparing all the formats, some blank formats are there. Usually it happens the night before the poll, presiding officer writes so the polling station in the recent years and now also in some of the polling station, the polling team is weak. Presiding officer, other polling officers are weak. Their micro observer is up. You are a friend, philosopher guide to the presiding officer and his team members. So for that, I have heard from during poll day, she or he should regularly note down important points for his report in the format given in election. There are 18 points. I will go into the last part of the slide. Then in case the micro observer will ask is to observe that election process is being carried out in free and fair manner and there is no vitiation of poll. As I said, you cannot act as presiding officer also. You cannot do his work. You are not allowed for that. But you can, of course, these duties of first polling, second polling, third polling, it is not required. If it is required, please let me know. I will tell again. I think 1 or 2 micro observers are new. Okay, then I will tell. Please.